Hi guys, we are at Berjaya. We are in Berjaya Times Square.
So this will be our
Going to Singapore.
departure. We're taking bus going to Singapore.
So guys, we decided this is not our bus. Still coming. So finally decided to go for breakfast since we haven't eaten anything yet. And you have to be careful here because there's lots of cars. You have to just simply cross from the waiting area onto the other side. There's 7-Eleven here. Yes.
We bought food while waiting for the bus at 7-Eleven. So this is a white coffee. And we call it siupao in our place, but here it's
Supao.
supao. Pow pow.
So that is our bus going to Singapore, Tarmac and Strap. Together with other passengers, together with the students still eating. Quite hungry.
Like this. This is legit.
So this is our first stop. We stopped at restroom or public toilet. So the driver is telling us that it's gonna be a long journey. So I I have let go of the beast. Good thing the driver has stopped and refueled the bus, so I have a chance to go to the restroom. So we're still parked in Malaysia, I believe, because this is Petronas gas station, and shortly we'll be in Singapore.
Yeah, pwede. Feel anything? Fine. We have bread here. Let's choose some bread because I'm very, very hungry. Just one will do. Go. We need to hurry. Bugs can add this one. Let's go. Have you bought some
Yeah.
food for us?
Yes,
Okay, what is
Bread.
this
this one.
Oh,
Mexican coffee bun. This one is like a bun with raisin
okay, and then,
and local wafer.
okay, that will do.
That will
Because I'm
do.
starving already.
Are you already starving, Bobs?
Yes, and it's so hot inside. You have to go in.
Okay, let's go inside. So we just had our passport stop with exit Malaysia. Yes.
Luggage. Bring down all your luggage.